Start. Good morning class, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start a very important topic from our unit 11, that is sound, and the title of the topic is sound intensity level. Before we going into the discussion or the details of this topic, we need to understand the basic definition of intensity of sound. As we have previously studied about the intensity of sound, so we can simply understand it with this diagram. So what is meant by intensity of sound? Obviously we have a source of sound and we have a particular area. So intensity of sound means how many waves of sound are passing through a particular area that defines the intensity of sound. So if we talk about the sound intensity level, this word level is actually indicating word range. So what is the range of intensities that human ear can easily hear? So if we talk about that range is 10⁻⁻12 watt per meter square to 1 watt per meter square. So these are two extremes, 10⁻⁻12 watt per meter square and 1 watt per meter square. In between lies the intensities of different sounds. So if we talk about the first extreme, that is 10⁻⁻12. So this is the intensity of sound which is barely audible or the faintest intensity. On the other hand, if we talk about 1 watt per meter square, so this is the loudest intensity that a human ear can hear. So this is quite painful sometimes. So this is the range that human ear can hear about the intensity of sound. So if we talk about zero band, so here is a very important phenomenon, that is zero band. Zero band is actually the reference intensity. Whenever we are going to measure the intensity of any other sound, so we studied or we understand that intensity with respect to this zero band or the reference intensity. We have discussed that the barely audible intensity of sound that human ear can easily hear, that is 10⁻⁻12. So this is the defined fact that this is the barely audible or the faintest intensity. So we take it as the reference intensity. So when we define zero band, it means reference intensity which is equivalent to 10⁻⁻12 watt per meter square. That is called zero band. So this is the minimum sound or this is the minimum intensity of sound that human ear can easily hear. Okay. So now we are going to understand the definition of sound intensity level. So when we talk about the sound intensity level, we have already defined level means the range of intensity that human ear can easily hear. So when we define that range starts from 10⁻⁻12 and it ends on 1 watt per meter square. So if we talk about 10⁻⁻12 as we have discussed previously, so this is the faintest sound, like the sound of the whisper, which human ear can easily hear, and this is the maximum sound that human ear can easily hear, or this could be sometimes painful, that is what we call 1 watt per meter square. So when we want to calculate the sound or the intensity of unknown sound that lies in between this range, this could be the sound of guitar, this could be the sound of footstep, this could be the sound of any musical instrument. So
you are talking about that this is the faintest.
Yeah.
This 10 raised to the power 12
Minus
is the
12.
minus 12 is the faintest, and that one
watt per meter square.
Per meter square is the highest.
It's the loudest sound.
Loudest sound. So the sounds that are in between are different sounds,
Yeah.
and their levels are
Their levels are
intensity
different.
is different.
Their intensity levels could be different.
So
their loudness could be different.
could you give us an example that which is the you were saying that the some sound that becomes painful
Yeah.
for your ear. So what are those sounds which
The
become
loudest sound that human ear can hear, that is 1 watt per meter square. This is the loudest intensity. For instance, if we talk about the sound of the bomb blast,
right?
or if someone comes quite close to your ears and shouts or screams, this would be in the range of this sound.
Even
Or
the
this intensity.
sound of the ambulance.
Yeah, the sound of the ambulance or any monotonous frequencies, they all are ranging or they all are lying in this range. So I hope that you have understood this concept. So now comes to the definition. So when we talk about definition is quite simple. Definition is basically the difference between two things. As we have discussed that N naught is the faintest sound or the reference intensity, as we have discussed previously, and N is the unknown sound. This is the unknown sound whose intensity we have to find. So when we define the sound intensity level, so this is the difference between the loudness N of the unknown sound and loudness N naught. N naught is the defined thing, that is the reference intensity or the sound of the reference intensity is called the sound intensity level. So if we talk about the mathematical formulas that we get from the definition or the derivation, they are: intensity level is logs time I over I naught. I is the intensity of unknown sound and I naught is the intensity of the reference sound or the reference intensity. Similarly, a second formula can be used, that is intensity level is equal to 10 log I over I naught. Here we have used this 10 because bell, which is the unit of intensity level, 1 bell is equal to 10 decibel. So when we replace bell with decibel, so we use 10 decibel. So here we have written 10 before the log and decibel in place of bell.
So could you please repeat this again, intensity level,
Okay.
the second intensity level.
Now we have two formulas which we are going to derive later on, but for the sake of understanding, we write it. Intensity level is equal to logarithmic function of the ratio of intensities. So this is the intensity of unknown sound, and this I naught is the intensity of or the reference intensity, which we already know. This is 10 is per minus 12. Similarly, this formula can be written in another form. We know that bell is the largest unit of the sound or the sound intensity. So if we want to write this largest unit in terms of its subunit or in terms of its small units, we can write 1 bell is equal to 10 decibel. So we have done what we have done. We have simply replaced bell with 10 decibel. So we have written 10 before log and decibel in place of bell. So now we talk about the explanation of this topic. So what we are discussing the sound intensity level, and the main constituent of that topic is loudness. Now, as we have discussed that we have to find out the loudness of an unknown sound. So if we want to understand the loudness of the unknown sound, we need to understand on what factors this loudness depends. So there are two main factors on which the loudness of an unknown sound or the sound depends. So the first important factor, intensity of the sound.